New at 10, more problems for some Colorado taxpayers. 7 News telling you how the state was issuing checks because of increased fraud with electronic filing this year. The issue is causing headaches for many of you, and now it may have cost an Aurora couple their money. 7 News reporter Amanda Zitzman looking into this. She's live in the newsroom. Amanda?
Yeah, direct deposit. It's supposed to be less of a hassle, right? No paper to deal with, and you don't have to run to the bank to cash a check. But after the state started receiving those fraudulent returns, they went back to checks, saying it was a safer approach. This Aurora couple now questioning that. Malcolm McMorris says he never received his state tax return, but he says the IRS is telling him that someone already cashed his check. Thing is, he didn't even want a check. He requested direct deposit.
So if they just would have left it alone and had it direct deposited into my account, then I'm pretty sure this wouldn't have happened. Yeah.
Sending a paper check to the taxpayer's mailing address was intended to prevent criminals from easily diverting fraudulent refunds to their own prepaid reloadable cards.
The whole reason why they issued paper checks in the first place was to prevent things like this from happening.
Malcolm now questioning who took his check and how they were even able to cash it. He says the Colorado Department of Revenue has been less than helpful, noting he filed in late January. The IRS saying the check was cashed in late March, a delay that also had hundreds of you calling into the 7 newsroom. The department saying it was all for the benefit of taxpayers, ensuring the security of private data.
They should be held somewhat accountable for these things that happen, you know, and a little bit more sympathetic too.
Malcolm says he's covering his bases, contacting the postal inspector as well as Aurora PD. Now, we did try to contact the Department of Revenue today. They were not available to talk to us on camera, but they did ask us to send them Malcolm's contact information, saying they would try to help him. Live in the newsroom, Amanda Zitzman, 7 News.